everyone. Myself Mrinmoy Puthi, teaching mathematics in Mapping Institute and also different institute for the last 20 years. Today I get this book. This is together with CBSE Sample Papers, and this book is extraordinary because last 5 to 6 years I am giving this book to my students. This book is extraordinary because this book has 15 sample papers. Not only that, in this book, student will get easy concept, average concept and difficult concepts, different type of sample papers with their solutions, and one mock paper, and that is very important for CBSE upcoming exam, final exam. So I will suggest, as my students I'm giving this book every year. So my suggestion is to get everyone should follow this book for their better result. Thank you very much.